Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. This is Yerkan. Right now, once again, I'm standing on the front of camera to make a video. Okay, our today's video is based on transcribe. Okay, so basically, I'm going to make this video. I hope I'll be able to make this video and understand to you, and we'll able to learn at a time together with. Okay, there are lots of words meaning. On this whiteboard I wrote, because these words we are used to usually use every day. Okay, because we are a student, someone is teacher, so our words are used to utter, used to express all the time, as basically as a time of our student, our education time. Okay, so every word is based on education purposes. Now first word is student, and in second one university, third one nature, third one college, and English, campus, auditorium, dictionary, and teacher. Okay, so how can we utter these word meanings smartly? Because when we're going to talk to someone, so obviously we should try to utter our words, speak smartly as a fluent speaker, like the English, not like the native, not Bengali or Indian subcontinent people. Because when we're speaking English, at the time of we have to speak English like a fluent speaker, like a native person. Okay, this is the best option for learning speaking English. So right now I'm going to start. Student, how can we utter this word and how can we transcribe this word? Just see and enjoy and learn by maintaining the process. Standing with me. Student. Okay, it's you. It's a you. It's a you. We can say you. Okay, just it's a you, like the word, like the syllable J. Okay, is stew, stew, da, D A, day, it's a day, stew, day, and T, student. Okay, we can say this term a or a or a. Okay, the basically term by term, base by base, this word can be changed. Our next, university. University, we say it's a U. I said I understood when we make this term. Okay, so it's a U. I should not repeat. U. Knee, it's a one syllable, it's a stress. After one syllable, we can stop few minutes as a seeing this feature, stress. You, ni, bha, it's a. Uniba, C, T, it's a short vowel, it's a short E, and it's a long E, like দীর্ঘস্বর দীর্ঘ ই, আর হ্রস্বস্বর যখন আমরা রস্বই বলি তখন হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে হ্রস্ব ই, আর এন্ড এই দীর্ঘটা হচ্ছে দীর্ঘ ই. We have to utter this sound maintaining the prolonged sound. Okay, so university, and nature, how can we say nature? Nei, N-E-E, nature, it's a T-S, it's a cho, like cho. So cha. R, it's like unvoiced sound. Okay, unvoiced and hidden sound. cha. College, how can we say college? Co, it's a like o, like a o. Co, lead. College, not college. College. It's a job. job. College. English. E Onushar. Like it's a like Onushar. Ing bang tang jang lang. So ing li ash. It's a ash. It's a English. And campus, not campus, it's a campus. K, it's a campus. And auditorium, how can we say auditorium, not auditorium, it's an auditorium. O D, one syllable, two syllables after stress. O D, auditorium. And like dictionary, how can we utter this pronouns? Dictionary. And teacher. Teacher. Hidden and unvoiced sound teacher. So we can say like that, teacher. And you can say, brother, please, you should make book. Okay, it's so easy. We can say book. How can we say pen? It's a pen. It's so easy, just a pen. Okay, how can we say we can write pencil. Okay, it's so easy. Hair. We can say pear, or we can say pear, it is correct, or we can say it's a pear. Okay, just you can use another term. Okay, I just wrote this pear. Pen, C, pen, C, L, pencil. Okay, so easy. We can use and write this term. And if you can say, brother, please transcribe the word mobile. It's so easy. Okay, it's mobile, 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 mobile.